once more again, having something to eat at A&W, and it's lunchtime, and now I've decided to have what's called a peri-peri burger. I'll show you exactly what it is. So you can see it right here. Nice paper bag, and that's your buddy peri burger. It's just like this. It's loaded full of chicken and lettuce, and it's spicy. And now I'm gonna dig into this nice peri burger. It's really tasty, really yummy. At A&W, the peri spicy chicken peri burger. And washed down with a coffee.